Is your Kia key fob not working after you replace the battery? Don't worry, it's a common issue. Often, the fob simply needs to be resynchronized with your car, or the battery contacts need a quick clean. This video will show you how to fix it yourself, saving you time and money. First, we will cover resyncing the key fob. Get inside your Kia with the key fob. Cycle the ignition from off to on without starting the engine 5 to 10 times within 10 seconds. Now, press the lock or unlock button on your key fob. This process reprograms the fob's unique ID code. If that doesn't work, move on to cleaning the contacts. If resyncing didn't work, the problem might be corroded battery contacts. First, open the key fob carefully using a small screwdriver or key fob opening tool. Remove the old battery from the fob. Inspect the metal contacts for any green or white residue indicating corrosion. Using a cotton swab and 99% isopropyl alcohol, gently clean the contacts to remove any corrosion. Avoid using anything abrasive that could damage the contacts. Once clean, reassemble the fob with a new compatible battery, usually a CR2032 or CR2025. Try the fob again. Use OEM batteries to prevent corrosion in the future. Following these steps should solve most key fob issues after a battery replacement.